May profits be upon you. Let's take a look at Euro New Zealand dollar on the weekly. Let's do some top down. I mean, this is pretty simple. It's very similar to Euro Aussie. What do we notice? From the high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. What are we expecting? A lower high, right? And then after that lower high, what are we expecting? Price to go down lower, right? I mean, it's that simple. You find out what the bias is, what the trend is, okay, or the time frame that you're looking at, and you anticipate the next part of the structure. The next part of the structure here is a lower high. Now, make sure you bear in mind the what your trading range is. This is a 2 candle pullback. This is your lower high. This is your lower low. This is your trading range. All right. Once it breaks, then you know we are confirming bearish momentum. All right. We're going to continue with it. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Got it? But if we break that protected high, you know that there has been a shift in bias, a shift in momentum to bullish as opposed to bearish. All right. Now you notice that I have an arrow up here. That's because Sunday I gave you a forecast with Euro New Zealand dollar in it, and I said we're going to hit from here. We're going to go up and then come down because I was talking about that lower high to be made. Check my forecast video and you'll see it. All right. It's just that I want the credit that is due. When I mess up, I fess up. All right. When I get it right, I need some good comments and some thumbs up. All right. All right. So we can move that out of the way now. All right. So let's take a hard look at this on the 4-hour. All right. We are in our POI. And what did I say that we were looking for last time? I said, we're waiting for price to come up in here and give us boom, boom, boom. We need to see that transition of price. Higher high, a higher high, and a lower high. That's it. All right. Now this one is coming up perfect. All right. And look, we're already showing a bearish rejection there. And that's awesome. That's awesome to see. All right. If we go to the 8-hour, we might see this a little bit clearer. No, I want to see a well-formed order block up there so that I could draw off of it. Let me see the 3-hour. I'm looking for a nice looking. All right. Yeah, this will work. Okay. I like it when the order blocks are clear. All right. We have one here. We got one up here, and that's cool. All right. There's a possibility that this may go up higher and then come down, and that's fine as well. All right. We also have this going on. Some people would consider this the other shoulder. All right. If I can just get this to work. All right. Here. All right. And that's fine too. That's fine too. The good thing is that it snatched liquidity from this price point here. Okay. And I look for a breaker structure because that's important to me. I like to see this a convincing break as opposed to a liquidity grab with a wick down. I like to see a candle break, right? But this looks like it might be fine. So we'll look for some downside action from here on Euro New Zealand dollar. We go down to the lower time frames, look to see what we got up in there, and this would make a very nice short if everything checks out. You know what I'm saying? We just gotta see about it. Take a look at this on the lower time frame and make sure once you take your trade, put your stop loss above the order block in which you enter. And I will see you in the next video.